My Neff K3990X7GB American style fridge freezer has suddenly stopped making ice cubes. Water is deepening as normal. I had taken the tray part out and cleaned all, but still no luck.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
It was installed towards end of 2013.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's easy.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Water is dispensing as normal, so water supply is okay. Ice cube tray is empty.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Hi, welcome to JustAnswer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Please know that I am not compensated for my time by the site until you rate using the stars at the top of your page. A rating is appreciated once we get to the solution for your appliance issue. Thanks. The easiest way to diagnose ice maker trouble is to fill the ice maker manually. If it drops cubes in a few hours but does not fill back up, the water valve may be faulty or the line from the valve to the maker is frozen shut. If it does not drop the cubes, the ice maker is faulty. Let me know what happens.
I have filled the ice tray with water and we'll see what happens in a few hours. We'll come back, thanks.
Sounds good, thank you.
Kelly, the ice cubes are made in the tray but none have dropped into the container, which would then allow me to dispense. What needs to be done? Will the ice cubes drop after some time? Do I need to do anything with the lever? Thanks.
Just leave it be for a while. It needs to get cold enough to close the thermostat. Leave it for 3 hours.
Okay, will do, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi Kelly, the ice cubes were formed and dropped into the container. However, no more were produced and there is no water in the ice cube tray, so that could be the reason. Why is the water not filling them up again for more ice cubes to be made? Water dispenses as normal, so cannot be anything wrong with the water connection. Please advise, thanks.
So either the water line from the valve is frozen shut or the water valve is faulty. Remove the water line from the valve that leads to the ice maker. If you can blow through it, replace the water inlet valve.
The pipe that is sticking out seems to be frozen as ice at the mouth of it. How do you remove the water pipe?
It is best not to. I would use hot water or a hairdryer to thaw it. Be careful not to damage any plastic. Nice work. It should be good once that line is thawed out.
Kelly, would the water dispenser still work, which it is even if the front of this pipe is frozen? I will try to use the hairdryer and see what happens, thanks. Also, should I switch the fridge freezer off or do it with it on?
Sure, they are two different water lines. I would turn the refrigerator off. Just be very careful if you use a hairdryer. The plastic will melt.
You mentioned use hot water, soak a cloth and put around the pipe.
Sure, that will take a bit more time but will work good. A turkey baster with hot water works well, too.
Okay, let me try, that is less risky, thanks.
You bet, thank you.
I notice on the bottom of the ice cuber component there is a test switch. What is that for?
It just cycles the ice maker, it bypasses the temperature sensor.
Okay, the pipe looks clean. No ice, so when will water flow? Or how can I force it?
If you press the test button, it should harvest and fill at the end of the rotation.
I did that and it did the test, but still no water coming to fill the ice cube tray.
If you are sure the line is clear, the water inlet valve will need to be replaced.
Assume I need to get an engineer to fix this.
Well, unless you are able to pull the appliance out and feel comfortable with water and electrical connections.
I have an engineer coming this week as I cannot do this myself. Thanks for your help.
I understand, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.